Yo, yo, what's going on, folks? Canal here, Bulls on Wall Street. Woof, another hot day in the markets. There were runners everywhere. Um, good pickings for a lot of traders. So what are you going to do? I mean, there's winning trades here. We had a flat day in the markets, but it wasn't much of a down day. I would consider it actually an up day, as the market was pretty much flat the whole day, but there were still individual stocks and setups running roughshod all over the place, and that's all you can ask for. When you see stocks like Kirk's and stuff like that are just going nuts like this, there's still speculative money flying in the markets and things are moving, and that's all you can ask for as a trader. Let's take a look at the watch list. I got CPRX here, man. I've been stalking this one for a while, looking for a break over 60. Still watching this Eagly. We got a nice flag here. If we see a volume pop here, if we see a shipper run, this one could go. Watch this AEZS. It's kind of coming right out of range here. If we come out of this range, I think that this one could go. Zynga, actually, we added some of this in the 270s, and we held it overnight. We got a nice range break here. It hasn't been able to break range for a long time. This is a pretty big base. Now, this stock's a piece of shit, and it never runs, but what are you going to do? Every blue moon, you just got to dip in and do it. So I like this one. I held it overnight. Now, I'm like 0 for 10 on this stock, so tomorrow I wouldn't be surprised if it opens up at, $1, just my luck. But so far, so good. It looks good. GTN, rubber band setup here. Look for any type of strong opening on this stock. I will look for a potential short in this. It is a confirmed rubber band setup. Dang, I like the location of this, how it's rested on the 50-day moving average. We've got a nice little range here. These bottom stocks have been going. I like the location on this one in terms of managing your risk. Chem, look for a break over this 200-day moving average. We're just flagging here at that $5 range. VELT, I like this one a lot. This one looks like it's bottomed out. The selling has subsided in it, and it's starting to it seems like it wants to come out of range here. So just look for probably a break of today's highs. That should confirm the trade for you pretty good. Looking for a potential snapback in EXK. We got a rubber band set up to the downside on this stock, as it's broken support and then just got totally killed. So I'll be looking for a potential snapback in this stock if I can see one. Ideally, it'd have a really weak opening. That would kind of flush everything out and get it ready. TA on the other side. I'm watching this one for a potential short also. A lot of these stocks are really overbought, and you are getting snapbacks in them. They don't last long. They're quick one-day type of trades, but we took one in DQ the other day. We hit this thing around a little bit under 16, and it dropped a couple bucks in just a hot second. When these stocks do this, you can get a nice counter trend trade. Now, I wouldn't take, I doubt I'm going to take multiple dollars out of this, but right, 50 cents, 70 cents, a dollar, definitely possible. Arco, I really like this one. This is like the McDonald's of freaking Guatemala or something like that. But look for a break over 14 on this one. DMND, Diamond Foods. These guys got nuts. Nuts are hot right now. And this one just needs a little bit of a push to break out of range. And, we might have something. Now, I will say that traditionally this stock just trades like not a good trader. And so even though the price pattern is nice, I've always had trouble trading the stock. It's a little bit thin. It thins out during weird times, but you can't argue with this pattern here. So we'll take a look at this. YPF, I'm holding some of this for a swing. We're actually right at the sweet spot. SPRD, we're kind of bear flagging here. Might need another day or two, but if this market starts to dump, I wouldn't be surprised to see this one hit 15 in a day. ARRS is just flagging right here. Just needs a little bit of push, a break of highs. SPRT, I'm still watching that 28 zone. It came into resistance and faded today, but now we're back on support, so it just might have needed a rest day. Look for a push over 28. And then MOV, I like this one. It's basing right under high, so we got a flag pattern here and kind of a flat top breakout, so keep an eyeball on that one. This one trades a little bit thin too, so be careful with it. You don't want to just dump out of nowhere. So that's it for now, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Crazy week, a lot of winners the last 7-8 days, and I expect it to continue.